The ruble cratered, the stock market froze, and the public rushed to withdraw cash on Monday as Western warrants kicked in and Russia awoke to skepticism and fear over the fast-spreading impacts of President Vladimir Putin's invasion of Ukraine. But before that, make sure you press that red subscribe button along with that tiny bell icon to get updated every time we post new videos. Let's get started. Abroad obnoxious by Russian forces targeted military infrastructure across Ukraine as well as several airports. The assault began hours before dawn and speedily spread across central and eastern Ukraine as Russian forces attacked from three sides. Ukrainian officers said more than 40 fighters and as many as 10 civilians had been killed, and the deputy interior minister reported fierce fighting at an airbase near the Ukrainian capital. The Moscow Stock Exchange had suspended trading before on Thursday, but when dealing proceeded, stocks went into freefall. The MOEX index plunged as much as 45% before recovering slightly to close down 33%, while the RTS index, which is nominated in dollars, ended the day with losses of 39%. The crash wiped about $70 billion off the value of Russia's biggest companies. Russian banks and oil companies were among the hardest hit in unpredictable trading, with shares in Sberbank, Russia's largest lender, losing 43% of their value. Rosneft, in which BP owns a 19.75% stake, also sloughed 43%. BP shares dropped 4.6% in London. Gazprom, the giant gas company behind the Nord Stream 2 channel, was down 35%. Russia's central bank said in a statement that it had instructed brokers to suspend short trades given the current situation in the fiscal market and to shield the rights and legitimate interests of investors. That means they can no longer adopt securities to vend in anticipation of buying them back at a lower price. The order took effect at 11 a.m. local time. The ruble was trading at nearly 88 to the dollar, down 8%, after earlier hitting a new record low of 89.6. The Russian central bank said it would intermediate in the currency market and provide redundant liquidity to the banking sector. US, EU, and UK officers have made clear that much tougher measures would follow should Russia invade. German Foreign Minister Annalena Baerbock said on Thursday that the European Union is set to unleash the full packet of warrants against Russia, adding that the world must respond intensively or run the threat of paying an even advanced price. "We woke up in a different world today," Baerbock told journalists at a news conference in Berlin, adding, "We'll launch the full package of massive sanctions against Russia." The Baltic countries of Lithuania, Estonia, and Latvia called for Russia to be ejected from SWIFT, the secure messaging services that facilitates payments among fiscal institutions in 200 countries. In a statement, SWIFT said it was a neutral global cooperative, and any decision to put sanctions on countries or individual entities rests solely with the competent government bodies and applicable legislators. That's all for today's video. Let us know your views in the comments section below, and don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.